I'm Anita Wardlaw, and welcome to a fresh new day. Baby Birds, Part 4. The babies are here, and Mama is busy feeding them. Today is Monday, May 15th, 2015. Both Mama and Daddy are taking turns feeding the babies. Right now the babies are just little fur balls. There's Mommy going to town feeding her baby. She just came back with fresh food. Mom and Dad are sharing the task of feeding the babies. At this stage they're wanting lots and lots of food, and they're going to go very quickly. At the current time, Mom and Dad both are up in the nest. I don't know if you can tell from the angle that I'm at, but both of them are up there feeding as a team. I so enjoy watching them. They're really a wonderful family. They work together. They've become very comfortable with us observing them. I hope they will be comfortable enough for me to climb back up the ladder and get a better view of the babies. When I do, I'll let you see it. All the babies are hatched and Mama's sitting on her nest. She's getting accustomed enough to me to allow me to get fairly close. I'm several feet away from her. But the babies are, if you look very closely, you can see little beaks sticking out. Mama flew away and now their little heads are stuck off. There they are. Daddy bird flew away from the nest and is watching me. But I'm watching him to try to get him to go back to the nest and feed his little babies. They're sticking their little heads up. They want Daddy to come on back for Mommy. June 19th, 2015. June 19th, 2015.